Hello, students. We have done and gone through the complete explanation of this sixth chapter from the book Footprints Without Feet, Making of a Scientist, and I hope you all could understand it very well. So, now this is the time that we go ahead with the question answers of this chapter. But before we go ahead with the discussion of question answers, let's quickly have a revision of the important points which will help you in recalling the important points that you came across in the chapter. Richard's article on how cells work, published in a journal at the age of 22. He was a single child and did not have friends to play with, so he became interested in collecting butterflies and various other items. His mother bought him all equipment he needed. She guided him and helped him to learn. He read a book, The Travels of Monarch 10, which created a love for science in him. He raised thousands of monarch butterflies at home over a few years. He tagged them and they grew and freed them to study their migration. Richard put up a slide of frogs at the county science fair but did not win any award. His defeat inspired him to experiment. He took help from Dr. Urquhart to work on various projects. Richard spent a year at Harvard as a freshman before going back to the laboratory to discover the chemical structure of the hormones responsible for the gallstones on the monarch pupa. His findings motivated him to study cells and how they read their DNA. His theory may help to prevent many kinds of cancer and other diseases. He graduated from Harvard with second position among 1510 students. His other interests include debating, public speaking, and photography. Richard's social studies teacher praises him for his excellent mind, curiosity, and a will to win, the essential qualities of a scientist. Actually, this page should have been earlier to the previous one, but it doesn't matter. These are all the important points, so you can once again read them. Now, let us come to the question answer, and this is the first question from your textbook. How did a book become a turning point in Richard Ebright's life? So the answer goes like this. After Richard had collected all the 25 species of butterflies that were found in his surroundings, he thought that it would be an end to butterfly collection when his mother bought him a book named The Travels of Monarch 10, which told him about how butterflies migrated to Central America. This book aroused an interest in him for exploring more of what was to come and started studying more about monarch butterflies. Question number 2. How did his mother help him? His mother played a turning role in his life of the scientist, as she used to buy him telescope, microscope, camera, mounting equipment, and used to try to help him by getting him things to learn in the evening when he used to be free. She also used to take him out on field trips and also bought him the book Travels of Monarch 10. So we can say that the mother played a very important role in the making of what he was. What lesson does Ebright learn when he does not win anything at a science fair? He learned that just by showing neat and clean simple slides won't make him win anything, but the actual experiment that he will perform will help him win the prize at any fair, because all other contestants, they had actually did their own experiments, so he get to learn a lot from there. Question 4. What experiments and projects does he then undertake? He did an experiment to see the cause of the viral disease that kills nearly all the monarchs after a few years, and also took up a project to prove that viceroy butterflies copy monarchs to survive by behaving like them. What are the qualities that go into making of a scientist? This is question number 5. So these are the last few lines of the chapter. If you remember the ingredients, the same thing we are supposed to write here. According to the chapter, there are 3 qualities that a person needs to have to be a scientist. Firstly, a first-rated mind. Secondly, curiosity. And thirdly, the will to win for the right reasons. And here we come to an end of the discussion of our question answers. Enjoy reading everyone and do your question answers and learn them also.